Tonight, when everything goes quiet, listen. You'll hear a refrigerator humming, a car passing outside, maybe your own breathing. You'll call it silence. But the real answer is far stranger. Because right now, inside that silence, a sound is playing. It's all around you. It's passing through your walls, your room, your body. And it started playing before the first star was ever born. To understand it, you have to go back. Way back. 13.8 billion years to a universe that looked nothing like tonight's sky. No stars, no galaxies, not even darkness. Just a glowing fog of plasma, hydrogen and helium and light, packed so tightly that nothing could shine through it. The entire universe was one sealed, burning room. And inside that room, something was ringing. Here's what happened. Gravity pulled the plasma inward. Pressure pushed it back out. In, out, in, out. Compression and release, repeating across the whole cosmos. And what do you call a wave of compression moving through matter? Sound. That's all sound is. It's the same thing that happens in the air when you speak. The early universe wasn't silent. It was ringing like a struck bell. Scientists call these ripples baryon acoustic oscillations. Decode that, and it's simple. Baryon just means ordinary matter, the stuff you're made of. Acoustic means sound. Sound waves traveling through the matter of a newborn universe. Then, 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the fog lifted. The universe cooled enough for atoms to form. Light broke free for the first time, and the sound waves froze mid-vibration, like a photograph of a ringing bell. That escaped light is still traveling today. We call it the cosmic microwave background. In 1964, two engineers named Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson found it by accident, using a giant antenna in New Jersey. They thought the strange noise was pigeon droppings on their equipment. It was the afterglow of the Big Bang. It won them the Nobel Prize. But here's the part almost no one tells you. Decades later, an astronomer named Mark Whittle at the University of Virginia took the data hidden in that ancient light and did something remarkable. He reconstructed the sound itself. He shifted the frequencies up about 50 octaves into the range of human hearing, and the young universe sang. Not a bang, a deep, descending roar, falling in pitch as space stretched wider. A single chord, billions of years long. And those frozen sound waves didn't just fade away. They became a blueprint. Wherever the waves had squeezed matter together, gravity kept pulling. Gas collapsed, stars ignited, galaxies grew along the ridges of those ancient ripples. When the COBE satellite team, led by George Smoot and John Mather, mapped the tiny temperature differences in that first light, they weren't just reading data. They were reading sheet music. The pattern of galaxies across the sky, including the one you live in, follows the pattern of a sound. Think about what that means. The Milky Way sits where it sits because of an echo. Your sun condensed from gas that was gathered by a pressure wave older than any star, which means you, your body, your bones, the calcium in your teeth, all of it rests on the crest of a sound wave that began before light could even move freely. And that ancient light hasn't stopped arriving. It falls on Earth constantly, from every direction, day and night. Turn on an old analog television between channels, and a small fraction of that static is the Big Bang itself, still whispering through your screen. The signal is stretched now, faint, cold, barely 3 degrees above absolute zero. But it never turns off. It never will. So tonight, when everything goes quiet, listen again. You'll hear the refrigerator, The car, you're breathing. But now you know the truth. Underneath it all, woven through every silent room you will ever sit in, the oldest sound in existence is still playing. You were built by it. You are living inside its echo. And that silence you thought you heard tonight? It was never silence at all.